Are we going to talk about today? No. How about today? No. How about today? No. Today? No. Today? No. What about today? No. How about today? No. Are we ever going to talk about it? Fine. What is it you want to talk about? As if you don't already know. The deal, silly! I would have thought you'd been a bit more excited than that, Nolan. I'm ecstatic, can't you tell? What? I'm pretty much wetting myself with excitement. You know, I feel really sarcastic, like, vibe coming from you. It's like, sarcastic? Oh. What would ever give me that idea? Yeah, see, that right there, that gives me that feel, that vibe. Actually, now that you mention it, there has been a bit of a vibe going on, like a void, like a tension in the air. You might be on to something there, Dowdy. Thanks. I'm like really good at picking up on things, so. It just seems like you I don't know, you just don't seem very happy since I mentioned the deal last week. So. What? You mean the music deal? Yeah, I thought you'd be happier about it, or at least, supportive. Support? You want my freaking support? Well, you know, I'm feeling like the answer's no. Do you honestly think this is a joke? Well, it is a little silly, so. Freaking hilarious, Dowdy. Just freaking hilarious. Well, I may not be the next Jerry Seinfeld, but I think you're overreacting, Nolan. Like, what is it your cousin says? Suck it up, buttercup? You're such a freaking jerk right now. Oh, what's that? While there seems to be sarcasm and tension in the forecast, there seems to be jealousy coming in from the west. Somebody call the freaking police, because I'm gonna kill you. Hey guys, Nolan here. Thank you so much for joining Self-Doubt and myself on our writing journey. Actually, it's not just a writing journey anymore. Here we go. Well, why is it you can't support my music journey here? It's not about your music journey, Dowdy. It's why you chose to do it in the first place that's pissing me off. Because of my vocal talent? No, it's because you said I wasn't going to make it and that you felt you needed to step in. Oh, it bothered you that much? Yeah, it actually kind of did. You have no idea what it's like being the writer of the family. Not really being supported. Yeah, the Rents have my back. They support me, but everyone else in the family, cousins, aunts, uncles, everybody, nobody's got my back. Oh, that's why you don't really talk to them. All they ask about are the numbers. How many books have you sold? How many books are you selling? How much money have you made? That's all they care about. Oh, the whole, that's nice. When are you going to get a real job? That's exactly it. These same people who told you, hey, follow your dreams when you were younger, are also the ones saying, forget about your dreams when you're older. Unless, of course, you're bringing in numbers like Stephen King and J.K. Rowling. You do know your family's a whole bunch of high-class hillbillies, right? It really doesn't help being the youngest. Because I didn't follow the same path everybody else did by getting married and having kids. Because I didn't follow that cookie-cutter life. Because I wanted to do something more. Because I wanted to follow my dream. I'm automatically listed as the failure of the family. Nolan, your family fears the different. Do you remember the day you told them that you were asexual? Yeah, my uncle just didn't know where to look. He just ended up staring out a window. Yeah, he was malfunctioning for sure. Well, and then you come in here and you tell me pretty much the same thing. You don't have my back. You feel because I'm not going to make it, you're going to step out and get a music deal. Like, that hurt. That's not what I meant, though. I was just trying to help out. Honestly, I didn't think being a writer was going to be this hard. I knew the writing was going to be hard. I knew creating ideas was going to be difficult. Selling myself would be hard. Promotion and all that was going to be difficult. I got that. But I didn't think questioning myself every step of the way was going to be a thing all the time. And then doing all this work for very little reward. But are you happy? For the most part, yeah. Do you enjoy this path? Yeah. Then screw everything else and anybody who doesn't think you're up to par. Screw what your family thinks. Okay, rock on. And forget about your cousins. One is the definition of a hillbilly and the other is a complete definition of a Karen. So, damn freaking right. They don't matter. And whatever they say is more a reflection on them than it is you. Thanks, Dowdy. Hey, I can be a jerk sometimes. I get it. I am self-doubt. I've always got your back. Ain't nobody leaving baby in a corner. We're not going to do the whole lift in the air thing, are we? Do Do you think we should? Maybe not. Yeah, probably for the best. I hate to screw anything up here before signing the deal, so probably for the best. Doesn't mean I can't, I don't know, sing us out. I've had the time of my life. So that's pretty much everything I've got for you guys today. Let me know how being a writer is affecting your mental health, and how does your family support you? Do you have people in your family who don't support you, or does everybody like rock on? Let me know down below. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. As I've said before, I'll say it again, it's a little thing, but it really does go a long way. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, why not hit the subscribe button? Self-Doubt and myself have new videos up every week for your entertainment, but also to help writers with their own writing. And that's everything I've got for you guys today. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I am Nolan Michael Cruz, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao! Who's that? Ugh, it's the Karen. Hey. Hello? I'm well, thanks. How? Yes, my writing is still a thing. I barbecue next weekend. Well, is your pretentiousness still a thing? It is. Okay then. No. Bye. That was nice. Thanks.